Suave, suavecito, baby.
Esto va suave, sabe bien suave, 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 sabe bien suave. Esto va suave, sabe bien suave, 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 sabe bien suave. Esto va suave, quiere un poco de casabe pa' ver cómo sabe.
¿Qué onda, qué onda? What's going on? It's your boy Trampia and Juliet right here at the Chilling Grill in Austin, Texas. You're watching SUAVE TV. Keep it tuned locked. Don't change that channel.
Hey, this is Monica. I'm here with Abe Cortez, inviting you to keep watching SUAVE TV. Suave, suavecito.
Orale, que pasa, mi raza? Abe Cortez, Suave, suavecito, and I'm here at the Dippin' Low Car Show, having a good time right here in Renton, Washington. What's up, the Dippin' Low Car Club, and I'm here calling
Solo.
How you doing, Solo?
All right, brother. All right.
So the people out there that are watching, man, what is when they say low ride, man? What's your definition of it, man?
Family.
I love your brand, man.
Thank you, bro. Familia, shit, having a good time.
Unity, everything.
Unity, all that, bro.
Hi, I'm Monica.
Hi, I'm Josie. Hi, I'm Juliet.
Let's keep watching SUAVE, suavecito.
Por feo!
This is Sam Fat Cat Charlie. It's right here at the Chilling Grill in Austin, Texas. Enjoying my Sunday fun day with the one and only Abe Cortez. Tejano, Chilling Grill.
What up? This is J.O. Solano Records. Shout out to Abe Cortez, the man, the legend. You already know.
Yo, what's going on, y'all? It's Roman Johnson. We are at Greedy Collective. I'm here with Mike. I'm just here to let y'all know, man. Keep watching SUAVE TV. Keep up.
Hey, how's it going? My name is ATM S-Boy out here in Tacoma, Washington. We're out here doing some tattoos that you can see on Friday 13th. Right here, you know, supporting with SUAVE TVs. Keep tapping in, man.
Keep watching SUAVE. I'm going to say it again. Keep watching SUAVE TV. Roku, all that. Check it out. SUAVE, suavecito.
Garcia's Customs,
where we make all customers' dreams come true. Lowrider hydraulics for cruisers, lay and play, full-blown competition hoppers. Not only do we do lowriders, we also specialize in airbags, lift kits, Euro cars, and donks. All mechanical work, tune-up, and all motor swaps, paint jobs, etc. We do it all. Hit us up at area code 503-660-9160 in the Portland area. You can email us at tlaguilar1204@gmail.com or hit us up on Facebook under Garcia's Customs. Don't forget to hit us up anytime you want for your specialized lowrider. Garcia's Customs. Orale, raza.
Garcia's Customs.
What's up? Abe Cortez in full effect. I'm here at the #1 car show, the kickoff show for the Northwest, for the Seattle area. I'm here with the president of Dippin' Low Car Club, baby.
What's happening, everybody? Good to see you, brother.
Hey, I gotta congratulate you, man. You got a lot of beautiful cars.
Thank you, brother.
Here,
Appreciate it.
You got
Everybody
over at least 200 cars.
At least everybody's showing love today. I greatly appreciate it.
So don't forget, Dippin' Low Car Club is a community group building unity in the community. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to take a look at some of the sights, the sounds right here at their beautiful car show that they do every year. If anybody out there wants to support you, man, because I know you guys said you might end up doing non-profit stuff.
Yes, sir.
How do they get a hold of you?
They can get a hold of my wife, Cindy. Her number is 206-334-6676. Or you can hit the Instagram, Dippin'Low_WACC.
And don't forget, baby, it's all about unity in the community. And this is a cool car club. Hopefully next year we'll be interacting with these guys.
Yes, sir.
And doing a super show. Maybe at the Southwest Washington Fairgrounds,
Yes, sir.
buddy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because this is beautiful, man, but we can expect What's up, Abe Cortez? You're watching SUAVE TV right here on the SUAVE TV channel, and I'm here with the Dippin' Low Car Show. This is pretty much the Northwest kickoff car show, building unity in the community out there, and I'm here with you. How you doing, brother?
Good, how you doing?
I gotta congratulate you, man. Tell us a little bit about Dippin' Low for the people that are watching, man.
So we've been around for 15 years. We started 2015.
It's a long time.
Yeah, a long time. Yeah. So we do a lot of stuff for the community, give a lot back. You know, we're a smaller club. You know, we've been doing this the 4th annual show that we have going on.
That's cool, man.
I had a state battery.
That's great, man. That's great. That's great. So if anybody wants to join you, how do they get a hold of you guys?
So if you want to, you got Instagram, type in Dippin' Low, and you got Facebook, just type in Dippin' Low, leave a message, and I'll get back to you.
Yeah, so don't forget we're here with
Heel.
Yeah, and we're building unity in the community. We're going to be interacting, hopefully doing stuff in the future. Right here on SUAVE TV, baby. Peace.
Esto va suave, sabe bien suave, 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 sabe bien suave. Esto va suave, sabe bien suave, 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 sabe bien suave. Esto va suave, sabe bien suave, 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 sabe bien suave. Esto va suave. ¿Quieres un poco de?
Known as Tweety Bird from El Paso. I just want to make a shout out to 915 Payaso from Suavecito.
Me and my crew, just bumping them oldie tunes. Me and my crew, just bumping them oldie tunes. Me and my crew, me and my crew, me and my crew, straight bumping them oldie tunes. Me and my crew, straight bumping them oldie tunes. Me and my crew, just bumping them oldie tunes. Me and my crew, me and my crew, me and my crew, straight bumping them oldie tunes. What you see is what you get, hold it down, es vato. Everywhere that I go, they know my placazo con un balazo. I represent El Paso, I'm like an oldie. I'm a classic vato, I'm on the grind like who gonna rock conmigo from the big CA. Círculo asesino, all of my homies and everybody that know me. Chilling at the pocket, homie, drinking some 40s. Another Sunday in the body, now we kicking it live. Estilo de Cholito with an old school vibe. De homebrew spin the 45 so I can get down, beat me. Cruising slow and low so everyone can see me. Simona scraping up the calles, ese huele tumbando. All these other bombas, vamos por todo El Paso. Classic rides and good times, hey, that's how we roll. Baby dolls and lo que.
What's up, this is Abe Cortez. Que pasa mi raza? Suavecito. Invite you to check out SUAVE TV, where you rock to the rhythm of the Latin beat, much, much more. And don't forget about Fever Magazine, Fever Media, Daryl Green, Abe Cortez in full effect, bringing it to you. And I'm here with
Jasmine.
¿Cómo estás, Jasmine?
Bien, bien.
It's a beautiful day.
Yeah.
Real nice day. So keep doing your thing right here on Suavecito, raza.
When the sun goes down on my side of town, we gon' roll it right and get on down. When the sun goes down on my side of town, we gon' roll it right and get on down. Hey,
wouldn't have worn those jeans tonight. Cause you know how fools be acting and I don't wanna fight. But I gotta let baby be all she can be. Oh hell, I don't give a damn cause she's rolling with me. She's my Texas dream, my Tejana queen. And she can really shake it on the dance floor scene. When the sun goes down on my side of town, we gon' roll it right and get on down. When the sun goes down on my side of town, we gon' roll it right and get on down. Oh, mamacita's looking oh so nice. Man, we got the beer chillin' on the ice. It's Friday night and she can hardly wait. She likes Selena, she likes George Strait. She likes the old school jams when they bump. Go on and shake it, mama, I can't get enough. When the sun goes down on my side of town, we gon' roll it right and get on down. When the sun goes down on my side of town, we gon' roll it right and get on down. And don't you know, and don't you know, don't you when the sun goes down on my side of town, we gon' roll it right and get on down. When the sun goes down on my side of town, we gon' roll it right and get on down. Hey, what y'all know about them Texas dreams? Man, those Tejanas and them skin tight jeans, they really throw down on a Friday night. They like to shake it down under neon lights. Go ahead, pretty mama, and leave your purse, cause tonight's on me, we gonna quench that thirst. Got the ride looking all clean and stuff. Got my baby sitting sissy in my truck. She's sitting next to me and she brought a little bud. Man, my baby's got that real nice what. Damn, I wish she wouldn't have wore those jeans tonight. Cause you know how fools be acting and I don't wanna fight. But I gotta let baby be all she can be. Oh hell, I don't give a damn cause she's rolling with me. She's my Texas dream, my Tejana queen. And she can really shake it on the dance floor scene. When the sun goes down.
Garcia's Customs.
where we make all customers' dreams come true. Lowrider hydraulics for cruisers, lay and play, full-blown competition hoppers. Not only do we do lowriders, we also specialize in airbags, lift kits, Euro cars, and donks. All mechanical work, tune-up, and all motor swaps, paint jobs, etc. We do it all. Hit us up at area code 503-660-9160 in the Portland area. You can email us at tlaguilar1204@gmail.com or hit us up on Facebook under Garcia's Customs. Don't forget to hit us up anytime you want for your specialized lowrider. Garcia's Customs. Orale, raza.
Garcia's Customs.
Hey, what's up? This is Abe Cortez in full effect, and you're watching the SUAVE TV channel right here. That's right, you're watching the SUAVE TV channel right here on the Roku system. You have me, Barrio TV, with the one and only Eric Herrera. You got SUAVE TV, the original, with myself, Abe Cortez, and of course, Powerhouse. Right here, and where is it on? It's on the SUAVE TV channel, El Canal de SUAVE TV, right here on the Roku system. You can also get a hold of us right here, www.suavetv.net. And don't forget, baby, you know what you're watching? The SUAVE TV channel, raza. Orale.
Give it up for him, baby. Now you can take that prospect shirt off and put that yellow one on.
What's up, Abe Cortez and Phil Effects? Que pasa mi raza? We're right here at the Dippin' Car Show with DJ Sugar Bear. What's up, Sugar Bear? What's up, baby? You doing your thing? We're about to watch him doing his thing as we kick it live right here. This is SUAVE TV, baby. It's one of the #1 DJs in the Pacific Northwest. Here we go. What are they?
Congratulations to my brother right there, man, Lonzo. Dippin' Low, baby. Hey, this wouldn't have been done without the Dippin' Low, baby. In the house, DJ Sugar Bear, we're gonna keep it cracking. Let's go.
Pizza ever secret, why not? Why blow up my spot? Cause we both got hot. Now check it. I got more Mac than Craig and in the bed. Believe.
Cuánto duele el amor, no sabes cuánto duele en el corazón. Es que no sabes cuánto duele el amor, no sabes cuánto duele en el corazón.
What's up, Abe Cortez right here, and you're watching SUAVE TV on the SUAVE TV channel. What's up to mi Barrio TV, Eric Herrera, also Powerhouse, everybody out there, and this is SUAVE TV, the original show, and I'm here with Mike Long. What's up, Mike? What's going on, man? You're like an OG in this shit, man. Yeah. How long you been, man? I know I've known you for a while, man, but how long you been in low ride, bro?
Since like 91.
I think you're one of the first cats I ever seen with an Impala. And don't forget, it's all about building unity in the community. And don't forget that you're watching the SUAVE TV channel right here on the Roku system.
What's up? This is Gordon Brown Records. You're now watching Suavecito, baby. Yep. Browns.
And baby, just don't get it. What's up? You already know. It's your boy C-Note here. Out here in NoCo. We at the car show, you know what I'm saying? You know, we chilling with classic theater. You know, keep watching SUAVE TV, keep it live. Hope everybody stays blessed and do your own thing.
Órale, ¿qué pasa, mi raza? Abe Cortez, SUAVE TV. Suavecito, you're watching SUAVE TV right here on the SUAVE TV channel on Roku. No, Unidas por Vida.
Yep.
Unidas por Vida.
Yep.
Unidas por Vida.
¿Qué onda, raza? Habla Venancio aquí. Estamos aquí promocionando a SUAVE TV. Saludos a Abe Cortez, nuestro amigo. Estamos aquí de Cartagena, Colombia.
Aquí vamos otra vez. Intenté ser bueno, pero pues nunca puedo. Topo chico y
México Estéreo, transmitiendo desde el DF el nuevo éxito mundial, Topo Chico.
Ya la vi que no está usando unos chones. No creo que le quede esos pantalones. Le gustan mis labios y todas mis regiones. Aquí vamos otra vez. Intenté ser bueno, pero pues nunca puedo. Topo chico y tequila. Me mira y se activa. Aquí vamos otra vez. Intenté ser bueno, pero pues nunca puedo. Topo chico y tequila. Me mira y se activa. Se subió, ya soy su silla. Solo siente alegría. Ya la vi que no está usando unos chones. No creo que le queden esos pantalones. Le gustan mis labios y todas mis regiones. No hay más que decir, viva México, cabrones. Ok, Venancio, está buena y todo, pero ya, güey, párale, no. Debo de dejarla, pero este cuerpo me llama. Ey, pasando mi troca, ella quiere más. Whisky en las rocas, llama como loca, pero no le toca, no es la oficial. Quiere ser la oficial. Viva México, cabrones, Viva México, cabrones. Topo Chico y tequila. Me mira y se activa. Se subió, ya soy su silla. Solo siente alegría. Ya la vi que no está usando unos chones. No creo que le quede esos pantalones. Le gustan mis labios y todas mis regiones. No hay más que decir, viva México, cabrones. Le causó dolor, es un grito de dolor. Es un día voy a cambiar y no ser mujeriero, pero voy a gozar mientras yo la espero. En vez de parar, mejor la acelero. Pasando.
Hey, what's up, Abe Cortez in full effect. I want to say what's up to the nonprofit organization called Drums for Youth. They're a nonprofit community group that is helping youth everywhere through music, and it's Drums for Youth. What's up to Man out there, here Worthy, the whole crew. And the name of the group again is called Drums for Youth out of Seattle, Washington, Smithville, Texas, all the way from the 512, all the way to the 206. And the name of the nonprofit group is called Drums for Youth. Now let's check them out right now. It's all about building unity in the community. And what's up to all the people out there? Keep doing your thing right here on the SUAVE TV channel, baby.
Brand Impression hasta la muerte, siempre unidos con el mismo destino, viviendo el sueño que yo y Linda pidieron. Respecten a todos para ser respectados. From riding on the boulevard to cruising to the park, we're always together, familia from the start.
I once had a dream that you would cruise with me. It was so long ago que yo me enamoré de ti. Cruising with the homies, brand impressions, para siempre lo riding with you. Me and
always dipping and riding con las carruchas del lado. Shout out to the ladies with their vatos su lado, con llantas chiquitas y rines cromado, las pilas cargadas, carnales tumbados, cadenas por fuera y los calcos boleados. We're all bound to heaven y siempre armados.
I once had a dream that you would cruise with me. It was so long ago que yo me enamoré de ti. Cruising with the homies, brand impressions, para siempre lo riding with you. Me and
Empezó con el Manti, después lo siguieron Impalas, G-Rides, Zoot-Suiters with pride. También las bombitas, troquitas viejitas, tricycle luxury, radical bikes.
I once had a dream that you would cruise with me. It was so
long ago que yo me enamoré de ti. Cruising with the homies, bad impressions, para siempre lo
Some real big brother tried to start up a fist fight. I was by myself and they was rolling 5 deep. I looked around and they started 2-3. I ain't the one that let myself get rolled on.